Want to get pink lips naturally? Today, I'm super excited to show you how to make your very own DIY beetroot lip balm at home. It's natural, it's nourishing, and it gives your lips a gorgeous tint. Let's jump right into it. Let's go through the ingredients you'll need. 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets. This helps the balm solidify. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Perfect for adding moisture and a smooth texture. 1 tablespoon of shea butter or cocoa butter. These are great for softening your lips. Half a teaspoon of beetroot powder, or 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice for that beautiful natural color. Optional, but highly recommended, 1 teaspoon of castor oil for extra shine. And a few drops of essential oil like peppermint, lavender, or vanilla for that lovely scent. Finally, you'll need some lip balm containers. Small tins or tubes work best. Alright, let's get to it. Step 1. Melt the base ingredients. In a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl over simmering water, melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea or cocoa butter together. Stir occasionally until everything is fully melted. Step 2. Add beetroot for color. If you're using beetroot powder, add it to the melted mixture and stir well to combine. Make sure there are no lumps and the powder is fully dissolved. If you're using beetroot juice, add it to the melted mixture and stir constantly to ensure it blends evenly. You might need a whisk to fully incorporate it. Step 3. Add optional ingredients. For a glossier finish, stir in that castor oil. And don't forget to add a few drops of your chosen essential oil for fragrance. Stir everything well. Step 4. Pour into containers. Carefully pour the mixture into your lip balm containers. Using a small funnel or pipette can help with precision. Step 5. Cool and set. Allow the lip balm to cool and solidify at room temperature. This usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour. Step 6. Use and store. Your beetroot lip balm is now ready to use. Apply it as needed to keep your lips soft, hydrated, and beautifully tinted. Store it in a cool, dry place. A couple of quick tips before I go. You can adjust the amount of beetroot powder or juice to get your desired shade. Remember, beetroot juice might give a lighter tint compared to the powder. If the beetroot powder doesn't dissolve completely, strain the mixture through a fine mesh before pouring it into the containers to avoid any graininess. And there you have it. A beautiful, natural beetroot lip balm that's as good for your lips as it looks. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. Bye.